Hello, thank you so much for choosing us as your marketing agency. I'm really excited to help you understand the first steps in creating your own website. I'll also explain what a domain name is, what web hosting is, and how they are different, and how you can purchase both to get your website online. We believe as marketers that a website plays the foundation of any business. Now, what is a domain name? A domain name is your website's address on the internet. It's what people type into their web browser to find your website. For example, if you own a business that is called Kitchen Cuisine, your domain name might be www.kitchencuisine.ca or www.kitchencuisine.com. A good domain name should be short. It has to be easy to remember, easy to spell, and it should relate it to your business or your brand. We should avoid numbers, hyphens whenever possible. If your preferred name is already taken, you can then try adding your location or using another extension like .ca, .net, .org or .com. Now, what is web hosting? Let's talk about web hosting. Think of web hosting as a renting space on the internet where all your website files are stored, where every thing that you have in your website is there in the hosting. Every website contains files such as text, images, videos, codes, etc. These files need to be stored somewhere that's available 24 hours a day. So visitors can access your website anytime from anywhere in the world. A web hosting company provides that storage and keeps your website online 24/7. Without web hosting, your website simply would not be accessible on the internet. Like there would be no where to go and see it. Now, what's the difference between a domain name and a hosting? Many beginners really get confused starting here. These two are very easy to remember. Think of building a house, and your domain name is your home street address, your address. But your web hosting is the actual house where everything is kept, where everything is stored. The address tells people where to go, which is your domain name, while the house, which is your hosting, stores everything inside that website or that house. You need both of them for a complete website. They go side by side. Now, how to purchase a domain and hosting? The process is actually very simple. First, we would visit a web hosting provider such as Hostinger, Namecheap, or GoDaddy. Next, we will search for a domain name that we want. And if that domain name is available, then we would register for it for 1 or more years. Then we will choose a hosting plan which is suitable for our needs and our budget. And for beginners, I usually recommend a basic shared hosting plan because it's affordable and has everything needed for a small business website. You can always extend it any further. After purchasing, the hosting company usually connects your domain to your hosting automatically. If you buy both from the same company, then it's much easier. Many hosting companies also include a free SSL certificate, email accounts, and one-click WordPress installation. making the setup much easier. It all becomes very easy and very convenient for new beginners. Now, recommended platforms that I would say would be some hosting companies. I would recommend Hostinger because it's affordable and beginner friendly. And Namecheap is also another one that offers competitive pricing for domains and hosting. GoDaddy is another one. It's one of the most popular providers with many additional services. Any of these are excellent choices for someone creating their first website. These are great choices. And tips and best practices before I finish here. Some helpful would be really helpful for you. Choose a domain name you will be happy using for many years, like it's consistent. If your business mainly serves customers in Canada, a .ca domain can help build trust with Canadian customers. If your audience is international, then .com is usually the best choice. So just always remember to enable automatic renewal for your domain so you don't accidentally lose it. You know, it gets stopped and everything gets stopped. Choose a hosting plan that includes daily or weekly backups, free SSL security, and good customer support. As your business grows, you can always upgrade your hosting plan later. So for the beginning, we can go with this. And to just summarize whatever I've told you is that a domain name is your website's address. That is number one. Number two is web hosting is where your website files are stored. Number three is you need both to launch a website successfully. By choosing a reliable hosting company and a simple, memorable domain name, you will have a strong foundation for building your online presence. So thank you for listening. If you have any more questions, please feel free to get back to me, and I would more than happy to support and help. Thank you.